Alex always wanted to come out here to Northeast Factory Direct and saw some great furniture deals here. People are saving thousands of dollars. And how about the cabinets too, huh?
Cabinets are an absolute home run.
Yeah, and I love the patio furniture, but now the big thing is everyone's talking about all the money they saved on the furniture, the cabinets, the patio furniture. Let's buy a hot tub.
So we've been selling hot tubs for years, and we're really excited to introduce a line of hot tubs that we have now that are pretty unique. They've got a freshwater salt system, which means no more chemicals, odors, changing your water, becoming a chemist. You know, a lot of people—
You don't have to be a scientist to run this.
That's right. A lot of people love the idea of having a hot tub, but are afraid of the maintenance that goes into it. This has kind of taken all that away, so you can just enjoy it. Not only is it better for your skin, also the hot tubs that we have now have the best warranty in the business. When you buy something like this, you want to make sure that you're going to be taken care of as well. And I mean, these things have— I mean, this thing looks like a spaceship. As a matter of fact,
it looks like it's smart.
It is the most smart hot tub out there. You can actually control it from your iPad or your iPhone. Customers love it.
So, okay, this one might be a little smaller than I want. So how many choices do I have in sizes?
You know, we've got bigger ones. We've got small 2-person ones. The best part is we have something for everybody, and the pricing's phenomenal. You can get a hot tub here for as low as $99 a month. Yeah, you wouldn't believe what some of the stores are charging for these things.
And you got it all too. You got the thing where a guy can go swimming in a lap pool.
Our swim spas are selling like crazy.
All stuff with great warranty. So a bunch of wonderful stuff out here at Northeast Factory Direct. Come out, look around, maybe get some patio furniture. The money you save on that, you might be able to buy the hot tub, the smartest hot tub in the world, they say. East side, west side, south side, northeastfactorydirect.com. Don't miss out.